In 2025, over 70% of new e-commerce businesses are using Shopify to launch, and the average beginner dropshipping store can pull in between 3 to 10K per month in revenue, but only if they follow the right steps. And get this, according to a recent e-commerce Pulse report, launching a store now takes less than half the time it did 2 years ago. AI tools, supply directories, plug-and-play store templates, etc. have all made it insanely easy to start. So if you've been thinking about giving dropshipping a shot, there's literally never been a better time, and this may potentially be your last opportunity, especially since Shopify is offering a crazy deal right now where you can start your store for just $1 a month for the first 3 months instead of $39 per month. All right, let's talk about how to actually add products to your Shopify store in under 5 minutes. Now, once you logged into your Shopify dashboard, you go to the left-hand menu and click products, and then you hit add product up top, and then boom, you're in the product editor. Now, here's the stuff that you need to fill out: the product title. So what you want to do here is keep it clear and to the point, like rechargeable mini juicer, for example, or portable smoothie maker. Within the description, you want to focus on benefits. You want to make it scannable with bold text and bullet points. Stuff like make smoothies on the go, USB chargeable, no cords needed, easy to clean, and compact design. Now, when it comes to the media element, you want to upload clean photos or a short product video. If it's a TikTok Shop products, you want to grab a UGC from creators you're partnering with. And when it comes to pricing, make sure to set your price. And if you want, show a compare at price to highlight any current sales or discounts you may be running. Inventory, you want to add your SKU and quantity, or turn on track quantity to manage your stock. SKU stands for stock keeping unit, by the way. Shipping, if it's a physical item, tick the box. If it's a digital product, leave it blank. Now, if you want to take this further, you can add variants if you're offering different colors or different sizes. Edit your SEO preview to control how your product looks on Google. You also want to use tags to organize your catalog, and make sure your product status is set to active when you're ready to go live. Let's say you find a viral gut health bundle from TikTok Shop. As an affiliate, you could set up a product page on Shopify, plug in your affiliate link as the buy button, and toss in some TikTok testimonials and UGC, and run Spark ads to drive warm traffic. Then you track sales using an AI agent that auto updates your metrics. That's how smart creators are building passive income without even touching inventory. Once your product's ready, double check everything, hit the save button, and just like that, boom, it's live. You can now organize it into collections like bestsellers or TikTok finds, or even keep it simple with a one product store. Now, if you haven't launched yet, now might be the time. Click the link in the description and grab Shopify for as little as $1 per month for your first 3 months for the first 100 people to click the link. Remember, it's usually $39 per month for their most basic plan. And if you happen to be wondering which apps are actually worth installing next, I break it down in this next video right here.